Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing a super fun and creative moment I had with my 3-year-old. So you know how kids can have the wildest imaginations, right? And they come up with the most incredible ideas. So today my 3-year-old came up with the idea of a blue bumblebee. And instead of telling him, "No honey, that doesn't exist, let's do a black and yellow one," I said, why not use artificial intelligence to bring his imagination to life? Why not show him how? So I said, okay, together we used Leonardo AI to generate his blue bumblebee. And it was incredible. The good news is this time around I had everything on camera, and I cannot wait to show you exactly how that happened. Listen guys, we live in a time where artificial intelligence is literally taking the lead. So why not introduce our kids to these sort of ideas earlier on? Because who knows who they're going to become tomorrow. We need to equip them with the tools that they need. So without wasting your time, let's dive right in. So tell me what you wanted to see. Oh, well done. But you have to tell me what you want first.
I want a blue bumblebee.
You want a blue bumblebee? Okay, there's no such thing as a blue bumblebee, but we're going to create a blue bumblebee for Kyle. Okay?
Yes.
So what we're going to do is we're going to use an AI software. Say AI software.
AI software.
It's called Leonardo.
Leonardo.
Okay. So we're going to take this idea of a blue bumblebee that's in your nice head, and we're going to bring it to life. So click on Leonardo. Perfect. Well, you can't type just yet, so I'm going to type it out for you. Hold on. You need to hold on. So I'm going to type in here, okay? I'm going to say black. Does black start with a K?
No.
It does. Black bumble. Does bumblebee start with a B?
Yeah.
Great. Sorry, black starts with a B. Sorry, not okay. Black bumble bee.
I want a blue one.
Okay, I'm gonna go for a blue bumblebee then. Blue bumblebee. What does this read? Say blue bumblebee.
Blue bumblebee.
Good job. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna just add something to say I want a illustration. Say illustration.
Illustration.
Okay, because the illustration is gonna come with colors for 4-year-olds like you. Okay, we're done. So what have we got here? Blue bumblebee illustration.
We're gonna take the bumblebee off of my head.
Yeah. And bring it to the tablet. Using, what's this software called? Leonardo. Okay, so I'm gonna click go. Oh, it's coming from Kyle's head now. Into the tablet. It's moving into the tablet. Soon we're gonna see what's in your head on the tablet through Leonardo. So this is called, say, image generation.
Is it going to take off?
You're gonna see what's in your head in a second. Okay? So you need to say image generation using AI.
Image generation using AI.
Using AI.
Using AI.
What have you done? What have we got from Kyle's head? Is that what was in your head?
Yeah.
Which one was it? There's 4 options.
It was this one.
Is this what was in your head?
Yeah.
Gosh, what colors has it got?
It's got blue and yellow.
Absolutely fantastic. So we're going to choose that and we're going to download it. Okay?
Gonna take it off.
This is Kyle's bumblebee. I'm going to save that for you, and we're going to put it in a nice little book Kyle made.
So I designed
Okay.
his bumblebee with this little caption from Pablo Picasso. Everything you can imagine is real. I've got it on Etsy, so you can download it for yourselves if you want it. I'm going to frame it and I'll put it in his room for inspiration.
So, guys, this activity was such a great reminder of the importance of creativity and how technology can boost your child's creativity in ways that you could barely even understand. So, the next time your child has a wild idea, why not come up with a fun way to bring it to life? Why not start introducing them to artificial intelligence now rather than wait until when it's, till later on? It's also a very good way to bond with your child, and who knows what else you're gonna learn. In the last couple of months, my 3-year-old and I, we've written about 2 books based off of AI. We used Mid Journey the last time to generate images for his dinosaur storybook, which I'm going to put in the description below, the last book we wrote together. And it has been such an amazing journey doing these things with my son. He's only 3, but I've got to know him better, and it's just been amazing each time we create something. The look even on his face when his blue bumblebee came to life was priceless. So thank you so much for watching. Share this video with someone if you found it useful, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.